tags and attributes. As we know that HTML is a markup language, it uses tags to mark up the content of the web pages. These tags also have their attributes. Let us learn more about tags and attributes. Tags. Tags are the basic building blocks of a web page. They tell the browser how the information is to be displayed on the web page. Tags do not appear in the browser window, but they affect the display of the text and non-text items in it. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules and syntax. HTML tags are not case sensitive. In HTML document, a tag name begins with an opening angular bracket and ends with closing angular bracket. For example, tag name, content, /tag name. Both opening and closing tags are same. The only difference is that the closing tag contains a / before the tag name. Most of the tags in HTML have opening and closing tags. A combination of opening tag, content, and closing tag is called an element. The HTML tags can be categorized as container tags. The tags that have both opening and closing tags are called container tags. For example, empty tags. Empty tags contain only opening tag. They do not have closing tag. These tags do not enclose any data. For example, HTML tags can also be further classified as block level tags. The block level tags take up the full width available and by default begin on a new line. Some of the block level tags are paragraph, P, headings H1 to H6, horizontal rule, HR, etc. Text level tags. The text level tags are used to mark up parts of the text. These tags do not start with a new line. Some of the text level tags are bold, B, superscript, SUP, italic, I, subscript, sub, etc. Nesting of tags. Nesting of tags means that you can start a new tag before closing the previous tag. The only point to remember is that tags are nested on LIFO principle, that is, last in first out. This means that the tag that has been opened last needs to be closed first.
For example, body h1 happy coding /h1/body.
Attribute. An attribute is a property that provides some additional information about a tag. It enhances the functionality of a tag. It always specified inside the opening tag. All attributes consist of two parts, a name and a value. The name is the property that you want to set. The value is what you want for the respective property. For example, body BG color is equal to yellow. The BG color attribute of the body tag is used to add a background color to the body of the web page.
In this case, BG color is the name of attribute and yellow is the value of the property.
For example, HR width is equal to 50%. The width is the attribute of the HR tag, which specifies the width of the horizontal line in pixels or percentage. By default, the width is 100%.
Here, width is the name of attribute and 50% is the value of attribute.